I am anil.anilkhandelwal. Welcome to my book Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry, which is going to be released on 14th of November 2025. Let us see how do we work with radical operations. Some questions over here out of these six are very difficult. So let me begin with the difficult question, which is A, where we have cube root of 9p square, and we are going to multiply this with square root of 3p. Now since there are different powers, so we should work individually with them. So we could rewrite this as 9 to the power of 1 over 3, that is cube root, and p square to the power of 2 over 3, times 3 to the power of half, that is square root, and also p to the power of half. 9 and 3 are related. 9 is 3 square. So we can write this as 3 square means 2 over 3 now, correct? Times p to the power of 2 over 3 times decimal. This is not decimal. This is multiplication, right? So we, instead of times, we use this dot at the center, if you notice. So it is like this. So now we can combine the term 3 to the power of 2 over 3 plus half, and we have p to the power of 2 over 3 plus half, same thing. So when you have to do this, you have to take common denominator, which is 6, and this becomes 4 plus 3. And similarly, it is p to the power of 4 plus 3 over 6, which is 3 to the power of 7 over 6, and p to the power of 7 over 6. That means 3 to the power of 6 over 6, which is 3, and 1 over 6 remains, right? So 3 times 3 to the power of 1 over 6. Similarly, it is p times p to the power of, because 6 is taken care of, 1 is left, right? You understand? And if you want to write it in a better way, you write 3p, and within 6th root, we can write again 3p. You see how this can be simplified. So that's the way to do it. Let me take the next one also, where again we have different powers, right? So that one I hope is clear, part A. And now let's take part B. So let me use a different ink. So let me use a different ink. We have 4th root of a cube times cube square root. So we'll rewrite this as a to the power of 3 over 4 times a to the power of 3 over 2. So common denominator in this case is 4, and so it becomes 3 plus 6, which is a to the power of 9 over 4. 4 times 2 is 8, right? So a square, and 1 is left, right? A to the power of 1 is left because 9, so 1 over 4. So I could rewrite this as equal to a square and then 4th root of a. Makes sense? So that is how we could do part B. Correct. Now others are not that difficult, so I'll take on a fresh page 2 of them. So let's take C, which is 4th root of a to the power of minus 4 minus b to the power of minus 4. Now, since it is 4th root of something to the power of a minus 4 and b minus 4, you really can't do much here except for rewriting this as 4th root of a to the power of 4 minus 1 over b to the power of 4, right? And now you can take the common denominator. So a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4, and you get b to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 4. So that gives you equivalent to, we have 1 over ab and fourth root of b to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 4, right? So that becomes the answer for part C. So I hope that makes sense, right? Now, amongst the other three, which are very similar, I'll take up the last problem, which is cube root of minus, let's say f, right? So we have cube root of minus 2 m to the power of 7 n 9 over cube root of 16m. So since both are cube roots, we could actually combine and write cube root of minus 2m to the power of 7 n to the power of 9 over 16m. Now this can be simplified. Cube root of minus 2 goes 8 times, right? So 8, and m, 7 minus 1 is 6, n is to the power of 9. So 1/3 now you have to take negative cube root m, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and cube root of 8 is 2. So that becomes the answer for the last problem. So I hope with this you understand how do we work with radicals, different exponents. Feel free to write your comments. Check our books for more examples. Thanks for watching and all the best.